By using the Model Builder feature within Infraworks, we can create a complete site and then save this model direct in BIM 360. Selecting the Model Builder tool, I'm going to create an area around my site. Searching based on location, I can now select a current area to create my building model. Once happy with the area I wish to create within the Model Builder, I can now give this a name. Selecting the Create Model button will now automatically create this site layout. The Model Builder is now preparing the new model. This may take a few minutes and will be complete within Infraworks Home, and you will also be notified by email. Once the model is open, we can now use the Data Sources option to link in our Revit files from our BIM 360 project. We can now choose and add a new data source. Selecting the Autodesk Revit option, we can then browse to our file. Using the desktop connector, we can then connect to our university project. Here we can now link in the required Revit file. In this instance, I'm going to add the structural Revit model. Selecting the Open button will then download this data source into our Infraworks environment. To place the model within our Infraworks model, simply right-click and choose the Configure option. We can now use the Interactive Placing button to position the model where we require it. Simply double-click to position, then choose the Close and Refresh. This will now process the data source and position it within our Infraworks model. With the Revit model now in position, we can now save this to BIM 360. Selecting the BIM 360 button, we can now manage, share or view your models within BIM 360. Once the model is published to BIM 360, we can now explore this using the BIM 360 viewer as normal. See, when you zoom in, you will now see that we have our Infraworks model and also our Revit file embedded within this information.